You helping Josh fix his bike? Here he comes. You're gonna fix his bike? Going for you. It's all right. You gonna help Josh fix his bike? Go fix the bike. Fix the bike. There you go. Gonna fix the neck. We're gonna get the chair or seat fixed. Pedals. Get my training wheels fixed up. Get them all adjusted, right? Yeah. Go put the tools back. Where you going, silly? Get some more tools? Yeah, you're getting some more tools. Ah, can't see that far. Big bike? Little bike? Hi! You fixing your bike? Okay. There you go. You did it? You gonna be a mechanic? Jimmy, you gonna be a mechanic? Mechanic? You like playing with tools, don't you? Whoops. Can you hold that? Okay, I got it. You want to take a ride? Gonna ride it?
Want to go for a ride? No.
No, you don't want to ride, you just want to work on them. Okay. Where are you going? You getting more tools out? Might have a few extra tools to pick up, Josh. Got a ratchet? 1/4-inch drive ratchet coming out. Oh, okay, let me get out of the way so you have enough room to work on your bike. Bang, bang, ba bang, bang. Yeah, the tires are holding air. This is an old POS bike somebody gave to me. I'm going to clean up, fix it up, and be Jimmy's first bike. As soon as he actually wants to ride the gosh darn thing. Hi. Pretty neato, huh? Huh? No, that's a 1/4-inch drive. I think, unless it's just a really little handle. Careful. Careful, Jimmy. There you go. Okay, Jimmy's working on bikes tonight. Alright, see you later. Bye.